Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Usi Firis Fariga. I am from kelas MNJ 22B, NPM 22411171. In this video, I will explaining about budgeting capital. Definition of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is complex process of analysis project and determining which products are included in capital budgeting. In a capital budgeting, another definition is planning decision-making process related to the payment of a fund where the project period is more than 1 year. This payment or experience include the cost on the purchasing my fixed asset, namely land, building, machinery, and other equipment. Usually, companies also need permission in the form of long-term investing. Research and development projects are also included in the investment category. The decision to invest is not an easy one because it's requirement on a sense of the situation in the future. So it is insecure to think about things that might happen. But due to internal and external factor, the investment value must also calculated in accordance with the company's cash flow and is the most appropriate definition to avoid the risk of loss on investment. Decision to avoid the risk of loss on the value of the investment. In general, company will make various alternatives in order to invest the long term, such as the addition of fixed asset, capital budgeting, and financial decision be made separately. If in explanation when he determined to be capable. Benefit of capital budgeting. In general, the benefit of capital budgeting are to be able to can find out funding needs in more detail. This is because the funds are tied over a period of more than 1 year. That's why the company can minimize the extension of over-investment or other investment. Other benefit that the no less important than capital budgeting is to prevent error in decision making. Method analysis. In capital budgeting, there are analysis methods that can be done before making decision. Here are some common analysis methods used by companies. 1. Net present value (NPV). NPV is one of the usually capital budgeting analysis methods in order to measure the profitability of a project investment plan using time and financial value factor. Profitability of the project investment plan by using the value of the and time financial factor. NPV is the difference between the present value, distant from the value is payment invest in current asset from the receipt of cash flow. Asset from the future cash flow. Recap. Keep in mind the basic rule of investment is to accept a project if its investment is above zero. This is referred to as the NPV rule. Taxpayers agree that three are both advanced and disciplined to using the profit in this method. In addition to its simple application and the use of the value money in calculating the value, 3. Profitability index. The definition of PE itself of the ratio of the present value and cash flow after initial investment activities in year to the amount of investment at the beginning of year. Meanwhile, if the P value is less than 1, then the project must be project. Discount payback period. This method means the time required for an investment project to be able to return all funds that have been invested in the project equation. This method is very simple to devaluation of whether or not is an investment project is worth doing. The collection used tend to be fast because they are based on common intuition commonly used in the business world. In the business world, projects with a small value are likely to be selected by the company so that they can carry it out. Can be carried. Why? Because the smaller the PIP value, smaller the risk faced by the company related to current condition in the past related to uncertain condition in the future. Tactical budgeting. Objective. Tactical budgeting has of the following object. 1. The purpose of prepping a tactical budgeting is to make decisions regarding the inclusion of long-term investment capital that will be used by the company for the operational active used by the company for its operational active. 2. The tactical budgeting also aims to plan the return on completion variation investment made by company. The importance of tactical budgeting. Tactical budgeting is essentially for the following reason. 1. Tactical budgeting decision will affect a long period of time as that the company lost its flexibility. 2. An effective tactical budgeting will improve the timeliness and equity of the tactical asset addition. 3. Tactical expenditure is very important. Regarding the decision above, it can be concluded that the good company cash flow is able to support tactical budgeting in carrying out the tactical budgeting plan. Able to support tactical budgeting is carrying out its investment plan optimally. Investment plan to the maximum. Today, to be able to get a good company cash flow. Company partner and through the flow of business translation, a supporting business. Applications that are able to suit company is optimal the company financial flow and tax obligation is online pajak. Online pajak is a website-based application that can be used anywhere and anytime. Its features such as creation of commercial information tax invoices and sending them to client a timely manner. Take invoices and sending them to client in seconds and can optimize your work production. All video explanation from me. If there are words of sentences that are less plain to me, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.